So at that young age, having all that responsibility, like of course now
Yeah.
you've gotten the benefits from that, right? And you see how beneficial it was for you. But at that age, did it feel like a lot of weight on your shoulders, having to, having to do that kind of stuff and play that kind of role at such a young age in the family?
You know what? I see things a little different. To me, that was normal, by the way. That was just
Hmm.
the norm. That's something that I needed to do, and I think I embraced that. And I don't. I wish nothing would have been different. Why? Because it taught me the certain things that the path that I took throughout my life. While some of my friends were having fun, were playing, I also played, but I just didn't have the same liberties to do certain things, and that was
Hmm.
life. And you learn to understand what's going on, and you learn how to overcome. This is why today I have the mentality that things are always going to happen.
Yeah.
Murphy's law is always around the corner, so
Yeah.
you just have to go ahead and get up and go and see the positive on everything that happens to you, because guess what, if you fail at something, you just found out a way that didn't work. The next one may work. Okay,
Exactly.
so
Yeah.